Hey everybody, in this tech tip we're going to share a few quick button shortcuts that can help you save some time, make things just a little bit more efficient while working on your device. So let's talk about a few of these button commands. First one, let's talk about copying text, copying pictures. This works for anything that you can copy. So for instance, I'm just going to go and select some text here. I can select really any text. I'll select this whole thing. And by holding down Control and hitting C, we do a copy, and if we want to paste here, the button commands for that, I can select wherever I want here and do a Control V to paste. This works with URLs, this works with text, this works with pictures, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. The next thing we'll talk about is the undo button, and that's done by holding down the Control button again and hitting Z. When you hit Control Z, it will undo the last command that you performed. Again, Control V to paste something, Control Z to take it back or to undo. So let's talk about closing out a tab. If you do Control Shift and T, you can restore a closed tab that had recently been closed. So let's go ahead and close out of this tab, and let's say, whoops, I accidentally clicked on the wrong button. Hold down Control, hold down Shift and hit T. That will restore my previously closed tab. If I decide that I want to open up a new tab, I can hold down Control and hit T for tab. The last little thing that we'll talk about is how to actually get a print screen window to pop up. We can hold down the Windows button, hold down Shift and hit S. When we do that, we get these little crosshairs that will show up, and what we can do is drag to the space that we actually want to do a little short print screen on, and once we do that, it will take a little snapshot photo of that. It's going to put that on your desktop, and that is going to be a JPEG image. So hopefully this was informative for you and help you get a little time back in the classroom just by doing some short, quick little button commands to make things easier and more efficient for you. Take care, everybody.